And modern technology may have overtaken their importance or use, but structures of ancestry and other outstanding Filipino works of art deserve to remain part of the country's national cultural heritage. Aljo Bendijo reports.
Metropolitan Theater, Paco Train Station in Manila, and the once glorious Benguet Building in Ortigas, designed by national artist Leandro Locsin, and the High Alay Building in Taft Avenue, also in Manila, are among the few of outstanding Filipino structures deemed to be part of the country's national cultural heritage that must have to be preserved. These architectural structures symbolizes Filipino ingenuity both in past and modern arts. Sadly, these exceptional Filipino works of art are not given enough importance nowadays as modern technology took over the magnitude of upholding these masterpieces which define our history. Republic Act 10066 provides the protection and conservation of Filipino arts. It has mandated the state to conserve the country's national cultural heritage. It is clear in subsections A and F, directing the state to reuse buildings other than its original purpose and preserve architecture and engineering structures like bridges, house of ancestry, and train stations. A blog in the internet even came out condemning the demolition of Benguet Building without challenge from the National Commission for Culture and the Arts and our country's conservatories, whose mandates includes the protection of Filipino cultural heritage, including excellent examples of architecture. The building was reportedly destroyed to pave the way of the construction of a modern commercial building owned by a Filipino-Chinese shopping mall magnate.
Ang mga buildings na yan ay nagsisilbing tawag dito physical example na makikita talaga ng mga tao kung ano yung itsura, ano yung art nung panahon na yon.
In some parts of Europe like Spain, their economy depends so much on tourism. Their dedication and effort to preserve their national cultural heritage made Spain as one of the top tourist destinations in the world. The result, it benefited not only their economy but also helped to uplift the lives of millions of Spaniards.
Yan ang naglilink sa atin sa past, no? Ang ating history. At maliban dyan, yung mga buildings na yan ay kung i-preserve natin, no? Ayusin natin, ay nagiging isang tourist attraction. So dapat yan ang tingnan ng mga may-ari ng building o mga namamahala sa pamahalaan na sana bigyan niya ng importansya yung pag-preserve ng building.
For the People's Television Network, Aljo Bendijo.